Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I will be sharing with you my go-to, my signature hairstyle, which is what you're seeing now, and probably what you're seeing 99.9% of the time. Ito lang naman yung hairstyle na lagi kong ginagawa, especially ever since I got the tools that I'm using for this hairstyle. It looks elegant, it looks presentable, it looks neat. At the same time, for me, madali lang siyang gawin, lalo na if you get the hang of this tool. This is, I swear, yung pinaka-paborito kong tool. Walang halong joke, everyday ko siya ginagamit ever since I got it. So this is the Dream Airstyle 5-in-1 styler. So nilagay ko siya ulit sa box para lang mapakita sa inyo ng maayos. Yung itsura niya once you got it. In reality, nakatanggal na talaga to sa box. Ando lang siya sa vanity area ko. And ito actually yung cover ng box in case you're curious. Again, grabe, araw-araw ko itong ginagamit. Siguro by the time you're watching this, more than a month ko itong ginagamit every day. Kasi since it's 5-in-1, minsan kahit hindi naman ako mag-curl ng hair, meron akong different attachments to use for every day. Like kung ano man yung gusto kong gawin for my hair. So, I will be sharing it with you. Papakita ko din sa inyo paano ko ito ginagamit. May ginagamit ako before na similar to this, but I can say this is the upgraded one and mas accessible din siya. So, ilalagay ko naman yung link dito sa description box. But without further ado, let us start with the video. So, yes, don't worry. Isa-isahin ko sa inyo in an uncomplicated way yung gamit nito isa-isang attachments nito. But syempre, bago yun, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung device itself kung saan nyo i-attach mismo yung mga attachments. So, ito yung device. It's very sleek. I like the titanium color. So, ito yung switch niya. You just toggle it so it turns on. So, hindi ako makapagsalita at the same time this is on, kaya pinapatay ko siya. And then, itong button na to is to control yung intensity ng airflow. Then, this button is the temperature. So, white is for neutral temperature, yung orange is for warm, and then yung red is for hot temperature. And then, here, yung lock lang yan kapag i-attach nyo yung attachment. Like, for example, this one. Yan. So, pag tatanggalin nyo siya, pull down, and that's it. Napakasimple lang ito actually intindihan. It won't take you 30 minutes just to get kung paano to gamitin. Okay, now let's go to the attachment. So, the first attachment is the fast dryer. Yung pagkakasunod-sunod na papakita ko sa inyo yung mga attachment is how I would personally use it kung gagamitin ko man lahat ng attachments. So, syempre, magsa-start ka by letting your hair dry. Kasi bago ka mag-style or magpulot or whatsoever ng hair, it has to be 80% dry. So, hindi siya yung fully dry, hindi rin siya fully wet. So, from the name itself, this attachment dries the hair fast. Kilala naman natin si Dream doon. Meron akong blower sa kanila na pinakita ko rin sa inyo that really dries the hair very, very fast, yet without damaging the hair. This has a high-performance fast motor, yet it has a gentle drying technology. So for me, out of all the attachments, this is the first attachment to use because this attachment prepares your hair for styling. Next is one of my favorites and most used. This is the flyaway attachment. So as someone na maraming baby hair, maraming tutsang, maraming flyaway, this is heaven sent. So as you can see here, it has an arrow, so doon papunta yung hangin. So you can switch it. So dito nyo lang siya hawakan sa topmost to switch the airflow setting. So kapag ganoon nyo, papunta dito. And when you switch it, papunta naman sa kabila. For example, I set it in this direction. So I can use it here since papunta doon yung hangin. And isa to sa pinaka na-amaze ako dito sa styler na to because yung sa gamit ko dati, walang ganitong attachment. And sobrang laki niyang tulong. Kasi before gumagamit pa ako ng hair iron, as in iniisa-isa kong i-flatten lahat ng flyaway or lahat ng baby hairs ko. But with this one, with just one pass, as in it instantly tames the frizziness of my stubborn flyaway or baby hairs. So kung katulad nyo ako na marami rin kayong ganon and matagal nyo na yung problema, this will make your life easier. Next attachment is the smoothing brush. So as you can see, para lang talaga siyang regular hair brush. So this attachment can smoothen and straighten your hair all at once. Although hindi siya yung straight na parang flat. Napakadali lang nito gamitin. All you have to do is just simply go through your hair with this brush and you'll achieve yung permanent, well-brushed, straight and smooth hair na hindi flat. So if you have naturally wavy hair and you just want to smoothen and straighten it without it looking flat, you will like this attachment. This is second to the last attachment and this is my second favorite one. This is the round volumizing brush and this is what I use if I want that effortless, volumized, blowout hair. So minsan, kung makita nyo sa ibang videos ko, kung hindi ako ganitong ka-curled or ka-wavy yung hair ko, this is the one I use, yung parang blowout style lang. So how I use this, I just get a portion of my hair na kaya nitong brush. So depende rin kasi yon sa kung gaano ka-thick yung hair strands nyo. So tatansyahin nyo na lang yung kasha dito sa brush itself. I just wrap it around the brush and I just wrap the brush around it, if that makes sense. And then I wait for a few seconds and that's it. Ang ganda-ganda nitong attachment na to, especially if you have layered hair like me, like it will really give you the body. It will enhance yung layers ng hair nyo effortlessly. Once you get used used to this attachment actually, ma-achieve nyo yung parang kakagaling nyo lang sa salon. Alam niyo yung parang professionally blow-dried yung hair nyo. Yun yung nagustuhan ko dito sa attachment na to, and it gives you so much volume. And the last attachment is my most favorite, obviously. So this is the Auto Wrap Barrel. So yes, this is what I use most of the time, and this is what I use for my signature hairstyle. So this uses yung Conda effect. So yung airflow, paikot siya sa kung anong direction mo siya iset. That's why the hair effortlessly wraps around it. One thing I also really appreciate with this is that kasi dati kong ginagamit as in magpapalit pa ako ng ibang barrel if I want another direction. But this one, you can just easily switch it on top. Yun, ganun lang. So papunta na kagad dun yung airflow. If you wanted the other direction, gaganon nyo lang ulit. That's why I can easily achieve yung gusto kong hairstyle with this attachment. Kasi how I like to curl my hair, since I want additional volume, additional body, pinapag-alternate ko yung direction. So hindi lang lahat ng curls papunta doon. Ang gusto ko, merong papunta doon, and then papunta naman sa harap, and then so on and so forth. That's why it looks really volumized. And all you have to do is just get a portion of your hair na kaya nitong barrel. At first, dun kayo medyo maninibago, but once you get yung enough hair na kaya nung barrel, tuloy-tuloy na yan. I swear, you'll get used to it easily. And just a tip, if you're going to use this to curl your hair, make sure na mahigpit yung yakap niya dito sa barrel para talagang makuha niyo yung maximum curl. Kasi yun yung nakikita kong common mistakes ng iba whenever they're using the similar hair styler is that hindi mahigpit yung kapit ng hair dun sa styler. That's why it doesn't curl as much. So to make sure na talagang kapit na kapit siya, ipupull nyo siya palabas and then pull it in again para talagang ma-make sure na lahat yakap na yakap dun sa barrel, if that makes sense. And once na feeling ko okay na yung grip ng hair dito sa barrel, I wait for around mga 15 seconds and then I press yung cold shot. So you hold nyo lang for 1 second yung temperature setting and then it will automatically turn into a cold shot setting. So that's what sets your curls. Kasi yung warm temperature, yun yung nagpo-form ng curl, but the cold setting or the cold air, it's what sets the curl. So iba nagtataka sila bakit hindi nag-hold yung curl nila. It's because hindi sila nagko-cold shot. So for me, that's really, really important para talagang ma-set and magtagal yung curls. And then again, I just do it alternately after yung isang direction, the other direction, and then so on. And it's up to you na if you want to use yung mga hair products, mga setting sprays, hair sprays, para mas ma-prolong yung curls. Ako, on a daily basis, I don't use it, pero kapag may puntahan ako events, dun ako gumagamit ng mga ganon. And that's it. That's just how I easily achieve this hairstyle. If you have zero experience with this similar hairstyler, don't worry, it won't take you a lot of different tries just to get used to it. This is actually one of the most user-friendly hairstyler that I've tried. And the reason why I also wanted to make this video is because I really, really, really trust this brand. Yung hair dryer nila na ginawan ko ng video, if you watch that, until now, it's still working really, really well. Pati yung husband ko, enjoy na enjoy yun. And I'm so happy that they also released something like this because again, outdated na yung ginagamit ko and this is much more accessible and affordable. And ang pinaka-importante rin sa akin is that they are a reputable company. They have good customer service and good reviews sa kanilang mga online shops. So again, ilalagay ko naman yung link where you can find this sa description box below. Since sakto rin malapit na mag-double digit sale, so that's the best time to get yours if you want to try this out. What I also like with the way I style my hair is that mas gumaganda siya kapag medyo naglulusen pa yung curl. So as you go through the day, kahit hindi na siya ganun ka-curled, nandun pa rin yung body, nandun pa rin yung volume. It still looks really, really nice. If ganito rin yung mga go-to nyo na hairstyle, if this is also what you want to achieve, this is the hairstyler for you. Ang pinakasulit kasi dito for me, ang dami niya iba-ibang attachments, so the possibilities are endless. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo guys, and let me know if meron kayong questions about this product or about how I do my hair. Let me know in the comments, and again, all the links will be listed in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed yet, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to still see you in my next videos. Bye-bye!